Good morning from Castalia, Ohio. So here is the plan today. I looked on the map. I am 63 miles from home. Half of that is going to be road riding. And they once again predicted rain later this afternoon and evening. This is the wettest ride and tour I've ever had. 63 miles, I got the whole day. Let's just shoot straight home. It is a bit of a shame that I brought all my camping gear and have not actually legit camped once, but you know, that's the thing when you plan an adventure. You never know where you're going to be laying your head at night. Something absolutely beautiful about these early morning rides. There's no wind. It's 60 degrees, it's cool, you can wear some comfortable layers. But I'm heading to Clyde, local coffee shop. That's really my incentive. That's your push to get to a location. Can you believe it? The sun is out. I think out of this whole trip, the sun's probably been out for less than an hour on a 140 plus mile tour. This is the Soggy Tour of 2026, the Memorial Day Soggy Tour. Hello. Ooh. Look at all this. Look at that. So you can just chill out in a vault and drink coffee. Things are warming up. Humidity is going up too. So I just finished having coffee at Wild Brew there in downtown Clyde. It was a beautiful old bank they converted into a coffee shop. My bike is squeaking, squeaking, squeaking. Everything that moves on this bike is squeaking through the days of rain and mist and going through mud. Thankfully, I brought chain lube. I have a wet chain lube for raining conditions. I've been putting that on every day, just trying to keep on top of it. that type of like maintenance on a multi-day ride is essential. Bring some bike lube, bring a rag to clean. Keep it in good gear, because you can't afford to have something go wrong on the road. Not when you're like literal hundreds of miles from home. Take care of your bike. It will take care of you. What you doing, buddy? Scared? What's wrong? Are you lost? Aw. So that's pretty much going to sum up the trip. Back here in Genoa, just over 20 miles to get back to my house. The pros and cons of just rolling out of your driveway and going anywhere is you basically have to pack to be for everything. So I never bothered using my camp chair or my tent. I had to jettison like half my food because I didn't know if I'd be staying, you know, a place where there's no food or no water. So that was like a lot of extra weight that I did not have to bring. But that wraps it up. Just a solo roll out of the driveway, YOLO it, visit some friends in some cool places on the North Coast Inland Trail and along Lake Erie. Until then, let's see what happens next.